How to fix MMS messaging option missing from iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your settings, scroll down, head towards the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Giving a fresh restart to your device might also fix your problem. Now heading towards next solution, you can ask any of your friends to send you MMS message. And then you can head towards this option of Messages and check whether this option is available in your device or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Open the option General, click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, heading towards next solution, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset All Settings. Click on Reset All Settings and type in your phone's passcode and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix MMS messaging option missing from iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.